Nails. How to, in case you get a nail broken, how to repair it. Yeah, I'm a nail repairician. I was going about my regular chores, doing everything, my regular duties, the last boss used to do in this wonderful country, sweeping, mopping. I felt my nail break. Yes, it broke. For someone who cannot grow her nails, just take a look at this. For someone who cannot grow her nails, this is a lot. I have been admiring this thing. I have been looking at it, staring at it, and I felt so proud of myself. So how can it just break like that? Nah. We ain't taking that. No way. No. What my repair kit is made up of: base coats, top coats, put this aside, nail buffer. I need a new one. Nail file. Then this super glue. I just got it outside now, so a nail duster. Then of course my nail lamp. Drum roll, please. Let's begin. Now, I'm not going to be doing any serious nail prep or anything like that, like I would normally do. I'm just going to go right into, repair it straight off. First of all, I'm going to go in with my nail file. Just going to file a little bit. Okay, I think that was a bad idea. Work with me here, okay? I've not repaired my nails before. I mean, you have to have long nails to repair them, right? Well, I've never had long nails. Okay, so I'm just going to do a little bit of filing, just to file off the extra, because I think this part that cuts, that's the broken part, it's like it's growing out on its own, but slowly. So we're just going to file off whatever seems like extra there. Now, after doing that, a little bit of buffing, little bit. You see, I'm doing everything in bits, just little. Next, we're going to go in with super glue. Super glue. Now, you don't want too much of this, just small. I said just small, one dot, boing. Just one, see how small. Are you seeing this small thing that is coming out now? That's the only thing you just put there. Very small. This stuff is very hard on nails. This one I even put is too much. Okay, I'm just going to use this edge of it to like spread it out a bit. Now we have to wait for that to dry. Now, the next thing I will tell you to do is go in with your nail file, but that's if you put on too much glue. Now, I did not put on too much glue. Like, I did not put too much glue on it. So I'm just going to use a buffer. A buffer is way lighter than a file. So I'm just going to use a buffer to buff it. This buffing is just, it's a way to make, likes it to like level the playing field, sort of. I don't know if you get what I mean. Just because when I'm going to apply base coat and top coat on this, and when I do that, so we won't have a little like bump along the way. So I'm just going to buff. That's why if you put on too much glue, you might need to file, but remember to go easy. We're dealing with a nail break here. Now you just need to feel that. It feels quite levered. Okay, I think I missed a spot. This inside here. Remember to be careful because we don't want to risk this breaking again. All right, so that is done. Look at that. Yes, this is, let's paint, babies. First off, I'm going to use base coat. Now base coat goes in first. Just going to paint that slowly. Well, this can break the nail. Now you see, the point of me using this base coat is also sort of to protect the glue, kind of. What did I just say? Anyway, what I'm trying to say is that I'm adding the base coat just to like hold the nail. We already put the glue to hold the nail together, so now this base coat is going to cover the glue, like protect the glue. So now I'm just going to apply that and then put it to dry in my nail lamp. Let's wait for that. Next, I'm going to apply top coat. This seems a bit much. I think I took up too much polish. Let me just clean that off. Yes, I think this is better. We're going to put this back into the nail lamp to dry. Now let's wait for that to dry. See my nails. What can I say? I'm talented. I know you miss seeing this face, but I'm back. I'm back for you all. I think I'm going to paint the rest later. Subscribe if you have not already. Oh, bye, guys.